Chapter 18, question 142. It is a question about the oxidation of methanoic acid. What you have learned in your AS organic chemistry is that carboxylic acids cannot be further oxidized. Okay, therefore reading this first paragraph is very important. They're telling you that an oxidizing agent that can oxidize ethanol to ethanoic acid or to ethanoic ions will also oxidize methanoic acid to carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so this part is important, so I would like to highlight this. Okay, so what kind of oxidizing agent can oxidize ethanol? Ethanol is an aldehyde. Okay, namely we have SC-defined KMnO4. Okay, we like to use different color. Okay, SC-defined potassium dichromate. Fehling solution. Tollens reagent. Okay. So these are the four very common oxidizing agents that we can use to oxidize aldehyde. Now, so they will also oxidize methanoic acid. Okay, only methanoic acid, not other carboxylic acid. Now let's look at the question. Which reagents on heating will react differently with methanoic acid and ethanoic acid? Number one, we have sodium carbonate. Now, both methanoic acid and ethanoic acid, they can react with sodium carbonate to give carbon dioxide. Okay, so this one, they will react similarly with sodium carbonate. So number one cannot be the answer. Second one, Fehling solution. Now, Fehling solution can react with methanoic acid, oxidize methanoic acid to carbon dioxide and water, because it is one of the oxidizing agent that we use to oxidize ethanol to ethanoic acid. But this Fehling reagent cannot oxidize ethanoic acid. So yes, this will react differently with methanoic acid and ethanoic acid. So number 2 is correct. Number 3, we have dilute acidified KMnO4. Okay, dilute acidified KMnO4 can oxidize ethanol to ethanoic acid. Will also oxidize methanoic acid to carbon dioxide and water, but it cannot oxidize ethanoic acid. So it will also react differently with methanoic acid and ethanoic acid. So the answer is C. 2 and 3 only are correct.